Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1973 Monte Carlo. This one here has got a 350 under the hood, power steering, and a Demon carburetor. Pretty good looking car. I just did a full walk around on this one. Walked around the whole car, pointed out any kind of flaws that I could find. I do this so that you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. That's why we're going on a test drive. We do this with every car on the lot. Check us out, maplemotors.com. We get you financed or ship these cars all over the nation. We update the website every Monday with new inventory, so definitely check on Mondays. If you hit that subscribe button, you can see videos posted every single day. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Oh man, we got that buzzer. Gotta get rid of that. We're gonna look around the vehicle before we take off here. Go ahead and place your bets on the horn, a little game we like to play. Do you think the horn works on this car? So far so good. The interior looks pretty good, but we do got a rip right here in the seat. The rest of the seat looks just like this, nice and clean. Couldn't get none of the air controls to work. That's gonna need some help. Radio does work. Looks like our gas gauge is up and showing 81,000 miles on the dash. I cannot stand behind that. Windshield wipers, they do work. And the horn, ready? Looks like the horn works. Let's hit the road. All right, getting ready to take off down the road here. Kind of a funky seatbelt scenario. All they've got is the shoulder belt. I'm not sure that it's even going to help you. I'm just going to go ahead and say that this thing needs seatbelts put in it. All right. Anything that I see, I will point out. That way you know exactly what you're getting. Looks like our speedometer's already coming up, so it is working. The clock that's in here does not work. Get my mirror adjusted. All right. Of course, here in town, there's tons of traffic all the time. So I appreciate y'all being patient with this video here. I don't know what's going on. Everybody was just waiting. All right, let's get it. The car is going straight as an arrow, perfectly straight down the road. We do got some slack in the steering though. It turns about right there and right there. Just to give you an idea. Hitting our brakes, they feel pretty good. They're not too bad. Kickdown is hooked up on this one. And the ride feels pretty good. I can hear the turn signal popping on, but the indicator inside here is not flashing. It may be a bad bulb, but I can hear it clicking. It's like they custom wrap the pillars here with some kind of fabric. It needs the plastic trim that goes in the car back around it to look factory. It's definitely a nice, smooth running car. I'd say it'd be good to drive it daily if you wanted to. We're gonna pull in this parking lot here and go ahead and get some outside shots around this car. All right, guys, let's get it. Good deal. Got y'all set up in the car here. We're gonna take off down the road and head on back to the car lot. Little squeaky brakes in the front. Oh, Jeff over there. Come booking it over that hill. This street here has a speed bump in it. We won't even notice it in this car. You could listen for rattles. That's right here. Kind of hear the window rattling a little bit. We'll go ahead and pull back in the lot here. I do appreciate y'all riding around with me. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the walk around if you're interested in this car. Thanks again, guys. All right, guys, check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. Financing and shipping options are available on that website. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. I post videos like this every day. And we update our website once a week. Every Monday, we update with new cars, so definitely check that out. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.